Good morning, y'all. It's a very early morning here in North Texas, and I can't sleep, so how about we just get some breakfast going? Do y'all love Chick-fil-A as much as I do? And one of my very favorite things to eat there is their chicken minis for breakfast. The only problem is there's not a Chick-fil-A on the way to school. So I'm going to show you how to make these Dupes Chick-fil-A chicken minis. Super easy and quick and perfect for a school day morning. What you'll need to make these is the Bear Brand chicken nuggets, and I buy those from Costco. They're a pretty good knockoff of the Chick-fil-A nuggets. Not the same, but good enough for this. You'll also need some Sister Schubert's frozen Parker House style rolls, and you can get those in any grocery store. You'll also need a little bit of avocado oil spray or Pam, whatever you like to use, and some butter and a little bit of honey. The very first thing you want to do here is to get those frozen rolls in the oven. And you can just put those in a cold oven and then heat your oven up to 375 and let it go. I realize that is not the directions printed on the package of rolls, but let's just throw caution to the wind. Just trust me, it works well. The best way I've found to prepare the chicken nuggets is just in your air fryer. So you just want to load up as many chicken nuggets as you want. And while you're kind of shaking those around, you want to spray your Pam or your avocado oil, kind of coat them lightly before putting them in the air fryer. And those will go in the air fryer at 350 degrees for 8 minutes. Now go ahead and get a couple of tablespoons of butter and with about a tablespoon of honey, and you're going to put that in the microwave for about 30 seconds. Takes about 20-25 minutes to brown these rolls. So as soon as they come out of the oven, just turn them over on a plate and go ahead and separate them so they'll cool faster. Okay, you know what to do here. We're just gonna stuff the rolls. To finish these off, we're just gonna brush that honey butter that we melted earlier over the top of these. On this morning, because I couldn't sleep, I also made some pumpkin bread. That is not the norm for us at all. They have it, my kids have it good, but they don't have it that good. So we also made some fresh pumpkin bread. So here's the ingredients that you'll need on the screen. To a medium-sized mixing bowl, you're going to add all of your dry ingredients, your 2 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, a teaspoon of salt, and your tablespoon of pumpkin pie spice. So we're going to whisk that up real good, and we'll get started on the wet ingredients. To your stand mixer bowl, you're going to add 3 eggs, 1.5 cups of sugar, 1 cup of canola oil, 1 15-ounce can of pumpkin puree, and about 2 teaspoons of vanilla, or however much your heart desires. Once you have all of your wet ingredients well mixed, you're going to turn your mixer down on low and slowly incorporate the dry ingredients. Since I am making this pumpkin bread in a bundt pan, I'm going to go ahead and chop up my pecans. And in the bottom of a bundt pan that I've already sprayed with avocado oil, I'm just going to sprinkle in those pecans and also a few pepitas and sunflower seeds. Okay, and now you're just going to spread your pumpkin batter on top of the nuts and the seeds. Now, if you're going to do this in loaf pan, you're going to do it in the opposite manner. You're going to put the batter in first, and then you'll put the nuts and seeds on top of that. And finally, you're just going to put that into a 350 degree preheated oven for 50 minutes. Ooh-wee, did that look good? All it needs is some butter. Yes, that's delicious.